Apelyido, surname, apelyido. Ngalan, first name or name, ngalan. Tunga nga apelyido, middle name. And we see tunga, that's middle. So tunga nga apelyido. Initial, initials, initial. Puluyan or address. That means address or street number or just address. Puluyan or address. Postal code or zip code, but we also say postal code or zip code. Sex, it's either lalaki or babae. So yes, lalaki is male, female is babae. Sex. Nationalidad refers to nationality or citizenship. Nationalidad. Adlaw sang pagkatawo, that means date of birth. Adlaw sang pagkatawo. Lugar nga gintawuhan, place of birth. Lugar nga gintawuhan. Trabaho or palangabuhian, that means occupation. Trabaho, palangabuhian. Estado sang pag-asawahay, marital status. Estado sang pag-asawahay. Kasal means married. Kasal or kasado. Single or solo. Yeah, so you can say single or solo, it's the same. Separado, separated if it's a man. Separada if it's a woman. Separado, separada. Diborsado or diborsada means divorced. Diborsado is for a man. Diborsada is for a woman. Balo means widowed. Balo. Bata means child. Mga bata, children. Bata, mga bata. And when we say pila, that refers to the number of. Numero sang telepono or telephone number. Numero sang telepono. Pasaporte is passport. Pasaporte. ID is identity card. ID. Lisensya sa pagmaneho, driving license or driver's license. Lisensya sa pagmaneho. Lugar kag petsa sang pag-issue. So place and date of issue. Lugar is place, petsa is the date. So lugar kag petsa sang pag-issue. Adlaw sang paghatag or issue date. Adlaw sang paghatag. Expiration date is the expiration date. Pirma or lagda sometimes in Filipino, but pirma, signature.